I'm told that due to the passage of Hurricane Melissa, these trees here were very bent and they were able to put it back without, so which is good. But yeah, man, I need to go and film these as much as I possibly can because they might not be around much longer. And if the effects of global warming are going to be worse as time goes on, and science says it will, unless we're going to make some changes, then I need to make sure I document all of Jamaica, all of Jamaica's important heritage sites, not just rivers and waterfalls, but also the important historical sites, you know. This has been here for hundreds of years and we don't know how long it will hold up, so I want to make sure that I put it in the history books, if you will, all right? Yeah, man. Greetings, greetings. This is a Johnny, director of Nature Adventure Jamaica. Behind me, we have the Manchester Family Court. So the Manchester Family Court is just 3 years old, but the historic Mandeville Courthouse was built in 1817, making the structure itself over 200 years old. You can consider this video as my announcement that I'll start doing some videos on different monuments and historical places in Jamaica, because I think it is very important to immortalize them in video. It reminds me of, there's a channel that already does something similar. You can check it out, Elite Jamaica. Alex, he does a lot of really good content on these kind of things, on historical places, facts, everything. But I'm thinking I'm going to start adding that to my repertoire because I think it is very important, and something that the hurricane showed me was that there are places that I wanted to go to, and because of the Hurricane Melissa, that is, the place get wiped out. No longer there anymore. So I wanted to make a video. I planned on making a video on the St. Elizabeth Parish Church. But if you see the pictures and the videos online, it's in rambles. It's in shambles rather. It's in shambles. Completely, utterly destroyed by the hurricane, you know. And it is a heritage site, but I'm not sure how much of it they can actually rebuild. So I'm making it a one-man mission to try and see if I can go to different monuments, the different parks, different historical and heritage sites, so I can document them and put them online for other people to see and enjoy. So I'm hoping to make it a bit more cinematic. If you see my video on the National Heroes Park, where I show you some cinematic shots of the various monuments and statues that were made in honor of the national heroes, it'd be something similar to that I'd like to do. So if you guys think this is a good idea, just hit me in the comments, let me know what you think, hit that like button. But yeah, this is my official announcement that going forward I'm going to try and see if I can drop at least one video a month on something heritage related or historical related, because I think it is important, and although it's not nature related, it's still adventure related. And to be honest, a lot of these places are nature related. There's the Bath Botanical Gardens that I did recently. There's Hope Gardens. There's even Devon House. So there are a lot of different places I can go to and make videos on, and they're still nature related. So yeah, so this parish church, I'm going to come back again another time to hopefully get a tour, a guided tour, so I can see more of what is inside. Currently they're closed right now. I asked the security and everything, but apparently if they did know I was coming, I would have been able to come through and maybe even film, possibly, and even a nice little drone shot of it. Because they're closed and not allowing me to go inside, I won't take a drone shot of a place that isn't open to the public at the moment. That seems wrong. So I won't do that. But this is this is the announcement. I hope I don't lose subscribers because of it, but I think it is very important, and I'm hoping to separate myself from other YouTubers in that I'm hoping that the quality of the content I can make is something that even probably TVJ will probably grab and put it up, because it is, it's of a certain quality that it belongs on TV, and that's why I'm trying to separate myself from other people. All right, but yeah, the church looks really nice. I will say that. I'm only here on book-ups because I was supposed to be going to St. Elizabeth to film some places that were affected by the storm, and the person that was supposed to be my guide down there didn't even remember. So I decided that since I'm in Mandeville, I'll just check out the spots, and I'm glad I did. But consider this my announcement that monuments, heritage sites, all that is coming to the channel, so stay tuned. Of course, it'll come with my little spin on it, where I'm giving you a lot of historical facts about it, as well as hopefully a guided tour by someone that works there, so you can get more information. Not only for those that are locally here, but those that are abroad, because a lot of my viewers are abroad. I don't know if they're Jamaicans that are abroad, especially UK and the US, but a lot of them are abroad and they are watching. So I'm hoping to give more content like that. All right. If you think this is a good idea, let me know. If you have suggestions on where I could go, please let me know in the comments below. Monuments coming soon, heritage parks coming soon, heritage sites coming soon. Just stay tuned. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Please check out some of our other videos.